Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Today we look at the premier Panerai Submersible QuarantaQuattro lunarossa Ti-Ceramitech. The familiar shape of the Panerai's case is rooted deep in the brand's military heritage, but the material used to build this watch's case is nothing short of avant-garde. It's a titanium alloy processed through a patented technique of electrolytic plasma oxidation. Anyway, the result is a bluish material 44% lighter than steel and 10 times tougher than regular ceramic based on zirconium oxide. Other than the material, it is a classic 44mm Panerai dive watch with a signature small second dial, a date window, and a unique, though thoroughly outdated system of waterproofing the crown. A straight carryover from a time when Panerai's movement were hand-wound and the screw-down crown would be too much of a hassle. It is powered by P900 movement with 72 hours of power reserve. The watch is water resistant up to 500 meters. While the watch certainly looks apart, with the subtle pairing of different shades of blue tones with contrasting red accents, worthy of the best of Italian designers, the price is steep, 17,500 euros. There are slightly more affordable variants available, also as a GMT, but there's a skeletonized tourbillon too, which price we won't even mention. The lunarossa, as in the red moon in Italian, that's mentioned both on the dial and the rubber strap, is the name of the boat sailing in the most prestigious sailboat races, like the America's Cup. The members of the sailing team Lunarossa Pirelli use the Panerai watches, or so we are told. But it seems like a perfect match for Italian brands, isn't it?